Well, hello there. This is the official relaunch of my YouTube channel. This is the welcome to the YouTube channel. This is Your First Book 101, Basic Principles of Self-Publishing. And what you will find here on this channel are dozens and dozens of training videos created by me for you, the aspiring author, the author who has the story in their heart and wants to get the words out on paper, but don't necessarily know how. I'm going to teach you the how, the what, and the where. I just really need you to understand your own why. I need you to think about why you're going to be creating this book and why you want it to be out in the world. Why do people need to read it? Right? So think about that. That's your job. And I'm going to teach you the how, the when, the what, and it's going to be an amazing adventure. So welcome to the channel. My name is Latasha L.T. Jimerson. I'm an author, teacher, book coach, and motivational speaker. I'm also a retreat host for authors. And if you stick around here, you're going to find out really soon about retreat opportunities for you to join us on vacation as authors. Yes, we're going on vacation together. So what I want you to do, the way I want you to use this channel is I want you to start out with the basics. So I'm in the process of creating a 10-part series, which is going to be the basic things that you need to do in order to prepare your mind, body, and soul to become an author. So stay tuned for the 10-part series, and I want you to watch it from beginning to end, part 1 all the way to 10. It's very important for you to get this information before you put your book out into the world so that you will know what to expect. All right. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.